This is an IH Scout 2 wiper motor that parks in the wrong position. This is 180 degrees out. So, with a flathead screwdriver, we should be able to do this job with a flathead screwdriver and a 7/16 nut driver. So two of the screws are a little bit challenging to reach without completely taking this thing apart, but you can manage. It's just dealing with the flathead screws. But that's also why I'm using a slightly smaller flathead screwdriver than I probably should. So these are the two difficult ones to get to. Alright, so we've removed the 5 outer screws. Raise this up. This is what we're after. That's the 7/16. So just take it, loosen it. Shouldn't be that tight. Now, if this is one that we haven't restored, that someone else restored, there's probably going to be a ton of grease in here. We use something called fluid film that is much, much cleaner. So I'm going to slowly pull this out. Okay, and the stuff fell anyway, so we may have, here. So that's a good thing. I'm trying to shortcut this, and I shouldn't. So sometimes you can just flip it over, and you're all squared away. You can see the cutout here on the plate. I can't see it, but y'all can see it there. So we had it put together like this. It apparently needs to be put together like this. And so I'm keeping a thumb on the gear, and then I'm just turning it to find where it'll fall in. And there, you see it fell in. We put the fiber washer, the regular washer, the nut, screw it back on. Just snug. There's nothing that's gonna. It shouldn't. Loosen by itself. So if you put a little bit of grease or something here to hold the gasket in place, that it'll make your life a little bit easier. But I usually just get a screwdriver, but I don't have my tool here to use the screwdriver to line up the gasket. And then just replace these 5 screws and you are done. That's how you fix a out of time IH wiper motor. I mean, just dealing with the putting these on. That's the biggest challenge of this whole thing.